I hope you have started enjoying this stress, because I am hoping you have started enjoying the relief from your knee pain. Now in today's segment we are going to do some very simple stretches with the wall. In case if you are not comfortable sitting down, you can always do all these stretches on your bed. Now if you are on the floor, we need a wall, something like this, which like two walls merging at one point. So the first stretch we need this kind of wall, and with the other stretch we can just go with normal, like a blank wall. So the first one, what we are going to do, one leg is going to be up and the one leg is going to be down. At the corner of the wall, something like this, slowly get the forearms on the floor and lie down. And once we do that, the right leg will come up and that will go on the wall. So my hips are divided, one hip is on the wall, the right hip is on the wall and the left is on the floor, and it is stretching out. That's all. You just have to do this much, and you'll have to lie down in this posture maybe for 10-20 minutes. So even if you're watching TV, you can do that. If you're not getting this kind of space, and if you're not able to lie down on the floor and do it, you can do lying down with both the legs up. That's absolutely fine. If you want to add some more value to the whole practice, you can get your toes up, trying to touch the wall, and then down so that the heel goes up. So this is your first practice, and you'll have to do this for like 10-15 minutes. You can come back and we can move to the next practice. The second stretch, which is a modified version of Viprit Karni with the wall, we are getting both the legs up on the wall. Now you can directly move from stretch 1, or if you want to change the wall like I have changed, so I am going sideways. This is how I lie down on the floor and get both the legs up on the wall. This one, this way. If your hips are not touching the floor, it's okay, don't worry about that. And if the hips are not touching, and if you want to place a pillow, you can do that. So this is the second stretch. You can be here for like 10-15 minutes. These are amazing stretches, working on your hamstrings and increasing the blood flow in the whole area. Again, if you want, you can go with the toes up, in, up, in. This was the second stretch. For the third stretch, we'll move further from here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to create an L shape with my legs. So sliding my right leg down, this is the L shape. This is L shape. Try and get your toes out. Amazing stretch. Some of you might get some cramp in the right side of your, like IT band, the leg. Just bend it and you'll be fine. So this one, hold it. It's working on opening up your hamstrings on your groin. Hold for like 5 to 10 seconds, 20 seconds, come back. And then get the other leg down, toe up. And come back. You can repeat for 5 times or more if you have enough time. That was our third stretch. In the fourth stretch, I'll get my toes up, right leg above my head, this movement. Try and bring it close to your head. If it can, just slide your hips up and hold it. So the other hip will go off the floor and will slide up. It's okay. Hold on to that and then start sliding the leg down. Amazing opening to your hamstrings. And release. Now with the other leg up, right toe is going up, my hip is getting off the floor. So if you want, just go with few rounds of this movement, feel the opening in the glutes and then turn. And release, relax. That was the fourth one. For the fifth one, we are just going to lie down parallel to the floor. So I'm coming down in this way, parallel to the floor. Some distance from the wall, maybe around 1 hand distance. Both the legs are straight, arms apart. Now the leg which is away from the wall, so in my case the left leg is away from the wall, this one up, and I will rotate my left hip to get the left leg on the wall, this way. And press the palm, rotate your head out to the left, hold it. Now this is an amazing opening to your glutes, to your hamstrings, and be there. Be there for like 1 minute, 2 minutes as per your comfort, and once you are done, release. You will repeat the same with the other leg. Once you are done, you will turn over, roll over and come up. Now these stretches, whatever we have done, these are definitely good for your knees, for your all those things which I have mentioned in my first video, like your Achilles tendon, plantar fascia, your flat feet. But apart from that, it is also very good for back pain. Also, you are increasing your blood flow to the reproductive organs, to your digestive organs. So any kind of problems which are connected with those areas, that can be sorted out. So just see these simple stretches while watching TV, and we all do that. You can do these stretches and you can get rid of so many problems. So try this out and let me know how does it feel for you. Namaste, see you tomorrow.